Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by pruning distractions and setting a single micro goal, make it measurable. Once your space is simpler, your choices get easier and confidence grows. Start with hydration and sleep because skin, mood, and focus respond fast. You'll see subtle shifts in days. Then pick one visible change, hair, posture, or outfit, and commit for 7 days. These first steps create momentum. Make sure to track progress with quick photos, so small wins stack into a real glow-up. Now you layer habits into a consistent routine so improvements compound. In the morning, cleanse and apply SPF. That protects skin and sets a baseline. Add short workouts 3 times per week, 20 to 30 minutes to boost tone and energy. Update style with one reliable outfit and a single accessory. Simplicity reduces decision fatigue. Once done, keep a weekly check-in to adjust intensity or products. Consistency is the multiplier. Small daily actions create You finish by refining details that people notice first. Tidy hair, brighter smile, and confident posture. Photograph different angles and compare. This helps you spot easy fixes. Then ask one trusted friend for honest feedback and implement one change they suggest. If progress stalls, reduce complexity, scale back to the most effective 10% of actions and rebuild from there. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing feels different, return to sleep and hydration for 2 weeks. Physiological recovery often unlocks stalled improvements.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.